Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. Today in this video we are going to learn about how we can copy this particular table from Google Sheets to Google Slides in this table with the help of Google Apps Script. So for this we are going to go and click on extensions, click on App Script, and here is the code. This is the simplest way with the help of which we can transfer the data from Google Sheets to Google Slides. So this video is mainly to make you understand how the app script works between Google Slides and Google Sheets. So this is the function name that we have created. This is the open bracket and this is a close bracket. Now with these two lines, we are accessing the Google Sheets data, which is present in sheet 1 and it is present from A1 to C3, from A1 to C3. Right? So that's why what we are saying, we are creating a variable here. Then we are calling the spreadsheet app. We are calling the spreadsheet app, which basically controls the spreadsheet. That is the Google Sheet. And with the help of get active spreadsheet, we are calling it. And then we are saying get the sheet by name. Sheet by name means this sheet. Sheet by name is sheet 1. Right? So once we write this statement here, that means this particular variable has power to basically retrieve data from the sheet 1. So now we are creating a new variable, data to be updated. Here we are going to write sheet.getRange. Get range means from which range you want data from, and it is from A1 to C3, and that's why we have mentioned A1:C3, and then get values. Now with this, all this data from A1 to C3, right? All this data will be stored in this particular variable. Now we have stored the URL of the Google slide, this URL, okay? This URL has been stored in this particular variable, like this. Now in these two lines, we are basically accessing the Google slide. So that's why we have created a variable PPT. And we are calling slides app. This app is basically used to control the Google Slides. It's an inbuilt application which is basically understood by the Google Apps. So we are going to call slides app dot open by URL, and that's why we have stored the URL of the presentation in this variable, and then we have called that particular variable in here. So slides app dot open by URL, and we have saved it in variable PPT. Now the next step is creating a separate variable to call all the slides from that particular presentation. That's why we are writing ppt.getSlides. So it will basically store all the slides which are present in the Google slide in this particular variable, which is slides, right? So now we have accessed this slide. We have taken all the slides because we only have one slide in here, and that slide has been stored in this particular variable with the help of this line. Now the main line with the help of which the data is getting changed here. So in this case we are calling slides, which is this, okay, slides, and then we are writing 0. 0 means the first slide. We are talking about the slide number 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first slide is always at 0 and the second slide is at 1 and so on. So it's a type of array, right? So slides 0, that means it has accessed the first slide. Then dot get tables 0. That means in this first slide, go to the first table which is present, table 0, right? Get tables 0. It is taking all the tables, and in that tables, like for example, if there are multiple tables in here, in that also the first table we are talking about. Okay, then get row also the first row we are talking about, and that's why it is saying 0. Then get cell also the first cell we are talking about. Now after that, this two text is basically to get and set the data in that particular cell, right? So that's why we have written dot get text. Whatever text in here, it's not an issue. And after that, set the text with name. right? Name means the text we want to replace with. So when I will go and run this code, you can see that here it is header 1 as of now. But when I go and update and run this code, this will be changed to name. And this is how you can go and update the text from Google Sheet to Google Sheets. The only thing you have to do is now to create a for loop, okay, get the values from this variable and just iterate it with the help of this line, and your complete table will be updated like this. This line, you can say it's a very basic approach to update the table, but it is very effective when the number of slides are less, or you know that you are not going to automate it further, right? But it might not be the most efficient, but it will work fine. I hope you understood the code and it will help you automating your Google Slides and save your time. Thanks a lot.